Alright, boys, the OCRL race here at Texas, the Chris Munger Landscaping. Let's do it.
Oh, so that's what CM stands for.
Nice.
I'm fucked. Hi YouTube, hi internet. I'm fucked.
Hello, Matt. I'm starting on the outside of you.
Hello, I'm eating.
Oh, fuck me. Wait, how the fuck did you qualify? Alright, never mind. NSFW, by the way, in case you haven't figured it out by now.
Stop, guys.
Oh, so my history teacher wants me to send her a John Oliver clip. There's a section in that clip about dick pics. But it's an interview with Edward Snowden, so it bears some importance. I left Pandora too loud and I can't turn it down.
What was that?
I left
Choose
Pandora.
the high side. I'll push him on the start.
Nah,
I left Pandora way too loud.
Okay, boys, good luck. Let's go for 3 in a row. Patrick, shut the fuck up.
Go get him, boys.
Alright, here's to hoping I actually manage to get the car past lap 1.
Hashtag where's Cat D?
Oh, Cat D!
Get past
God.
get mine past lap
YouTube,
44.
we want to take a
where is
moment
he
of
anyway?
silence for our buddy Cat D. He's lost.
He's lost.
Wait, what the fuck is
Moment
he?
of silence for Cat D.
Okay, fuck that.
Ramen.
Okay, no.
Okay,
Get ready,
boys,
going
good luck.
green.
Tana's count me down.
Alright, hold on.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1.
The pace car is in. Green, green, green.
I tried to push a bunch out in front of folks.
Guy in front of me just not going. Why are you hitting the brakes, Mr. Driver? Oh, fuck this. He's all over the place.
Holy hell, Randall is fucking parking the car.
Cool.
Or truck.
Jesse, internet.
Hello, you said the... whatever.
You can say what you want, I'm just saying just be smart.
I am not being stupid, like he's just parking the entrance and center. And blocked.
They're about to have shenanigans up in front of me.
Yeah, I can see that.
Fucking 43 just brake checked me.
That internet.
I see Matt coming through the field. Baki just got the wall pretty good.
I'm a ninth now.
Pat, why are you in pit road?
Cause I got brake checked by the 43. And
So
spun out.
that means,
43 seconds worth of damage.
you could have stayed out.
Inside.
The tires love me.
Nah, I
Still
got
there.
meters
Hold your
behind me, so
line.
there was no sense
Clear
in
inside.
staying up.
Coming.
Car inside.
Oh, then I got
inside.
loose. It's
Oh,
really
there you go.
loose underneath someone.
We're about to have a big shenaniganry thing up here.
Yeah, watch out, Baki is damaged. He's a bit slow.
He's hanging up here pretty well.
Leader.
I'm killing everyone through 3 and 4 by just letting off early.
Get loose. I like a loose truck.
It's not the
Inside.
only thing you like loose.
Stay high. Clear inside. Car inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear inside.
Kind of way out of my rhythm now. Jeez, man. I'm really like jacked up now.
Oh, I'm better than Randall through 3 and 4. We're about even through 1 and 2.
I can't complete the fucking pass.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear inside. Car inside. Clear.
Thomas Kev inside.
Inside. Still there. Hold your line.
Thank you, sir.
Still there. Hold your line.
I don't know if I burned off my right front or what, or if I'm just out of rhythm.
Still there.
You
We're probably out of
were
rhythm.
overdriving 3 and 4, so that could be it.
Clear. Car inside. Keep high. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Stay high. There's a car on the low side.
Man, this is
Still
fun.
there.
Okay. Give me some.
Clear. Car inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear.
Alright, well, it's letting Mike go. Okay. Oh, Backy got it again.
Wall.
Man, I cannot get the damn thing. I am just overdriving turn 3.
Patrick, just really.
I'm loose.
Patrick,
It's a wonderful feeling.
Yep, spun out.
I overdrove 1. I got stuck up in the bumps in 1 and 2, and I lost all my momentum.
Yep, same happened to me.
I was right on Randall's bumper. He ran too high though, so that's good.
There we go. I think I was just overdriving 3.
I told you were in practice, right?
Stay low. Clear.
Well, okay, Shannon in the wall.
And now I get back in a rhythm. God, I'd rather not qualify good and then stay where I am than qualify good and then drop like a rock.
I'm blaming this tire model.
I'm losing time through 1 and 2 now.
Pat, everybody on the same set, same tire model.
Yeah, but I just don't like a fixed set here.
It's all good, Pat. Get him next week.
I'm
What's
happy
next
we're going to
week?
short track.
Bristol's next week, right?
My favorite track, another favorite track.
All you can do, look forward to next week.
I never run well there, but okay. Well, actually, that's a
Never
lie.
turned a
That's
lap
lie.
there.
My worst finish there was like 3rd, but okay.
I never turned a lap there on a sim.
Oh, the truck is just way
Ah,
too
damn it, I just
pushy.
hit the wall in the infield.
In 1 and 2, it's pushy.
I was trying to
Oh
stay
no,
low.
on exit for me it's pushy. That's where I'm losing my time.
In 3 and 4,
I'm
that's
fast as hell through
wonderful.
3 and 4. I just need a pit stop to get off these tires.
Yeah, I had to drive through the field, so I've been driving hard this whole race.
Yeah, well I've been overdriving it a few times through 1 and 2. Alright, 1 and 2, I can't even run my line anymore. That's how fucking terrible it is. Randall's making just way too good of an arc and sticking. I'm not sure if I saw this right, but Randall might have just nipped the wall. Hello and
1. Jesse, all right up there?
Yeah, I went there for a reason. I didn't want to hit the bumps, the you know, lower bumps. Yeah, I just figured out I was overdriving for a few laps there.
Yeah, 1 and 2. I just lost that second in 1 and 2.
I just fallen off. That's how bad I was getting back to the gas way too early. I can't. I need to figure out 1 and 2. That's my issue. 3 and 4, I'm pretty good. I'm starting to brake in 1 and 2. I can't even turn it in.
You weren't braking before?
Yeah, I was gonna
No.
say, you weren't doing that before?
No. So I run this track. I know how to run it.
That's why your tires are falling
Getting evil. That'd be twice I owe you an apology, Todd.
Ooh, new friends.
That was John, not Tom.
I
It might have
thought
been
you said
Yeah.
Todd.
I was trying to let you go, and I thought you was going down toward the inside and the wall. I didn't know what was going on.
Alright, for me, it's just the bumps in 1 and 2. I almost got the wall.
For me, it's all of 1 and 2.
Yeah, well, I can nail the entrance. I just can't get through the center and exit. 3 and 4 is not bad. I just can't get down on the white line. Like, this is where I use video to help me, you know?
Fuck, 40 laps left on this tank.
I'm gonna go real high up here.
I think I just figured out the entrance, but the exit, I got on the gas too much. Bunch is taking a low arc into the corner, while Munger's taking a wider arc.
I can tell that right front just not wanting to participate much anymore.
Yeah, that right front has pulled to France.
Yeah, no.
You overdrove it, no question about it, Thomas.
But I feel like I only did a couple laps. Would that be enough? Is that are the cars
yeah.
that sensitive?
I just figured it out.
Did you?
Yeah. Don't you see me passing Bunch?
What'd you figure out?
Watch out below you.
You're overdriving it. You have to keep it on the line. About 156 that lap. I was down in mile an hour down. And you gotta enter below the bumps. That's the best you could to get the truck to turn.
I'm trying to like let Case go without losing all my speed.
And pull down on the back stretch and let him just go on the outside.
He's below me.
Oh.
Thomas, we're just gonna hang out down here?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm trying to. I'm scared of what that right front's gonna be in a few laps. Cause I think
It's my right rear now. It's like the whole right side of the truck. It's just snappy.
Oh yeah, I got it
rather
figured
than
out.
later I get this.
Jesse, describe what you found.
These tires.
I'm using a little bit less wheel and a little bit more brake.
Okay, where are you entering?
A bit lower than what I am on fresh tires. Smaller arc, both corners.
So you're hooking up the left front.
Well, yeah, basically, just speed.
Get a chase. Case.
Fucking hell, the bums will kill you.
So I just tried Jesse's line and it just nuked me, as you can see, Thomas.
I got the wall. I think I'm gonna fall back like Baki. I got a feeling. It didn't feel that bad, but the bumps will just hit you in the wall if you're on the outside. Or if you get stuck out there. And try not to be on the white line on that bump when you're entering the center of the corner, because that's what's really going to send you up the track on exit.
Who's that way down there?
Pat.
Me.
Okay.
No sense in riding around, so I'm just gonna park and then just sit and watch the rest of the race. There's no
Careful,
sense.
Thomas.
Apron, yeah, that apron. I caught it. I was just running.
I saw you almost going
Watch for the apron, boys. Right?
If you enter too low, then you're hitting that bump. That's going to send you into the wall on exit. Brake is fucking sticking. So is throttle. I need a new
Baki's catching me.
Baki has a lot of damage.
Sometimes it helps you.
Saving tires, though.
That's what Texas is. You gotta save your tires.
Fuck, my whole truck is calling it quits.
Yeah. I'm pulling a Thomas, and then I'm gonna maintain and go, you know? I need to get the damage fixed, that's very much it.
I'm about to stop qualifying until I learn how to like have better racecraft, race pace.
Oh, you think this is bad with the right front? Wait until we get into the cup car.
Well, that's probably gonna be. Well, it depends on the weather. And
Cup car is gonna be really bad. No matter the weather, and I said this before, it's gonna be horrible, the tire wear.
With
This
your
track
set,
is just
it
like
was
that.
the right rear more. If it's gonna be like
The weather that we
if
had.
it's gonna be hot and slick with your set, that right rear is gonna be toast. If it's gonna be nice and overcast, the right front.
You have to be careful, that's the thing. Yeah, I think I used up my aerodynamics. Do you have damage on that?
Yeah, your whole right side's killed.
That's what I thought. Oh, my throttle's stuck there. That's great. By the way, can you please get Putin out of my face?
Talk to Ukraine, they can help you with that.
You got that good that time.
No, I didn't.
My screen.
The battle of the teammates.
Not sure why.
Because Matt, that's why.
Well, no, because I just passed you, that's why.
I screwed up, that's why. There we go. I'm gone.
Jesse, really?
Okay, that time was pretty close.
Outside.
Was that necessary at all?
Well, for Thomas,
Oh, yeah.
I think Thomas is happy that I did that. Not gonna lie.
I'd rather you not, put all of our trucks in silly situations, but
You know what I mean. He thought that was good because you gained a few spots. And Matt got the wall.
oh god.
Ooh, Thomas!
We're good.
With my right rear, not bad.
Clear.
These things don't turn so good on straightaways.
That's what happens when you put all three OMS trucks together that are actually...
Okay, move.
Well, when I drive the two truck, I drive the other guy down to the wall, but whatever.
Still there.
I thought
Hold
we
your
were
line.
Race chatter.
Keep
I
riding.
did too.
Clear.
Thomas, you okay? There it goes.
The car's sitting at the start-finish line.
Yeah, no kidding. I don't know why they didn't draw a caution.
Baki got underneath me and I got the wall and that sent me around. I tried to save it, but...
Thomas, you're catching me and we're both catching Bunch.
I've backed up my corners a lot just to do whatever, but it seems to give me a little bit better rhythm. It might not be fast. Oh boy, I don't know how we both missed it.
Pat. Patrick O'Toole, you there?
Matt, you want to try following me, or?
Yeah, wait for the back straight.
I just had to like stomp on the brakes. I think you're just coming
Yeah,
up
I'm
a
trying to
little
let
too
you
high.
go.
I know, well I mistimed it. Backy's catching up, he just lost a lot of time.
Well, I'm about to go left down.
Alright, stay high, man.
Outside.
Thanks, boss.
Clear outside.
Munger just got for second. He has really good pace.
Yeah, he does.
He probably saved his tires because he fell back in the beginning of that first run. And then Chase also saved his tires.
I had no choice but to use. Thomas, how bad was my damage, by the way?
Give me a chance on the back. Which side's damaged? I guess the right side.
It was on the right side.
It's hard to tell. Your fender looks straight up front on my screen, but
But did you see anything from the rear?
no, the rear looked good too.
Okay, well that's what I hit it with, so we're good.
Catch a bunch about 3/10 of laps.
I noticed that. That's why.
Bunch,
Rocky gets. I'm just gonna let him go.
Smart.
All right, I might have to short pit at one point.
Pit lap 50. If you are. Up here's Bunch.
Oh, I missed it.
He has no damage. His tires was on off. Or he did get the wall a little bit.
What happened, Jesse? You got damage, I see?
I caught him by half a minute last
Bucky
lap.
was passing me, and I got the wall, and then the truck came around.
Hold on, stay high.
Yeah, I am. As high as I can fucking go.
Clear outside.
Thanks, boss.
I'm fucking running around throttle almost.
No yellow for that spin?
No. Even Baki said that.
Well, Baki won it.
Man, Baki has a lot of damage.
We all wanted it.
Well, now I feel okay. Like, I'm kind of happy where this is going.
Shut up.
There's like
Matt.
7 different stages to this tire wear.
I went from yay, I'm good. Oh my god, I'm fucking dropping like a rock. So now it's coming back to me. I don't know if that's more. I think I'm just now in a rhythm compared to earlier. I get out of a rhythm too quickly.
Remember how I said I loved and hated this track? Loved it for its speed, hated it for its wear?
Fuck this place.
I fucking hate it overall now.
Fuck Bruton Smith, fuck this place.
Fuck Obama.
I thought Obama's
No, wait,
flag
hold on,
not there anymore.
That.
Yeah, this is on YouTube, you dipshit. Obama, we love you.
I blame Obama for this.
Well, this is not Obama's fault, the fact that Texas is a thing and North Wilkesboro isn't, but...
Here comes Todd Smith. Todd Smith, short pitted by the way. But he went a lap down. Before
That's
he
what
did.
I'm scared of. I don't want to get caught by a random steer.
Ooh. Hey, guess who's beating me right now?
Alright, Larry pitted.
Don't pit, go in lap 50, trust me.
How are we on fuel right now? Like, could we pit now?
You,
because I might short pit bunch.
That's why I said, oh, I'm about to
Pitting.
Warning, this is not child friendly.
I was catching bunch, but I'm gonna try short pit now.
Oh, the two teammates pitted together, how cute.
Remember coming off of pit road?
Oh yeah, blind roll.
Yep.
Thanks.
I came in like a baby, but I'd rather come in like a baby than overshoot it.
Yeah, someone's gonna overshoot this.
Baki's pitting.
I don't know how hard or easy to drive from front of
Take it easy in the short run, trust me.
No, blending.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that, Groovy.
The lead is pitting now.
You guys are on the same lap as me.
Oh, it feels so nice.
Todd Smith's ahead of me. I hope that's not for position.
No, he went a lap before he pitted. So you're good.
Hitting the lap.
You got a lap over him.
The lead is pitting now. Outside. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
What is this grip?
Okay, we're halfway to the finish.
What is this thing you call grip?
Now's a good time for a caution. I could use one.
What happened to Case?
I don't know, but I'll take the track position.
Yeah.
By the way, what's your guys' tire wear?
Oh, I didn't check.
57, 57, 59, 73, 73, 78. Right front and right rear, respectively.
Yeah, mine's gonna be way worse.
Fresh tires for the win. Bye, Shannon. Wow.
He has fresher tires.
They're gonna end up getting me back.
Yeah.
Bunch has stayed out a long ass time.
He's hoping for a caution.
I am too. I could use it.
So what did you ask for, tires?
Hitting the top.
I asked for a caution.
See, I can't do black boxes and drive at the same time.
Oh yeah, tires, yeah.
Go high.
My right front was 60, 60, 62.
The lead is pitting.
57, 57, 59.
Your tires.
That's why I started catching you, man.
I'm guessing Munger's is around 65.
I'm pussyfooting it.
Still
Groovy
on
is second? What the heck?
Oh, that's right.
Larry Scott and Randall Fultz came out together on track.
How is Groovy second?
Wreck on the
The
front.
yellow flag is out. Line up
Are you
single
fucking
file.
kidding me?
Pit road is closed. Catch the 55
Yeah, I figured that would
car.
happen.
Catch the 84 car.
Larry just wrecked
Past
off
the
turn
pace
14.
car.
Did we get the waiver? We don't need to take the waiver out, right, Thomas?
No, it just said
84
pass the pace
car.
car, so I don't know. We should be okay.
No, you know,
That
you
should
guys
work
are
out
good.
for you.
You guys are good. I don't know if I'm good. Ruby stayed out, right? Yes, I'm good.
So what happened?
I'm not taking fuel.
There's a bus in the back stretch. We gotta go all the way around the track.
I really didn't want that. I wanted that to play out more.
I didn't.
Pace car 1 and 2. Dang, out paid off.
Wait, what happened to Bunch? Oh, he just did it.
Yeah, he was caught on pit road when that happened.
He's right here.
Am I the lucky dog?
I really wanted that.
Damn, I tried to leave that lap.
Yes, I think I am.
Pit road is
Come on,
now
number
open.
I'm lucky dog.
We should really be 5th, 4th, and 5th right now, Thomas.
I know. We played the strategy right, man. Good job. No fuel, 4 tires.
Yep.
Bunch went a lap down.
Did he?
Yeah.
We'll have slightly fresh tires one on the other
Past the 00 car.
But he's gonna get the wave around, so it's no big deal.
That's what I was
No,
thinking.
he's gonna get the wave around, but I'm gonna get the pass.
This is going to be interesting because we're going to have some of the slower guys up front.
I think I'm in.
Finally, I can fix my truck.
I really baby into the pit box.
I do too. I actually came in kind of decent this time. We'll see how this goes. I took no fuel, 4 tires. Man, this is gonna be nerve-wracking. I hate restarts. That's why I was looking forward to the.
Line up single file.
You blew up in a caution.
I got beat by Gase.
I came in second. What the fuck?
That was from T-boning me like at the beginning of the race.
I came out 5th, but I got beat by Case off pit road.
Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't flashing red or nothing. I don't know. But
So what was the caution?
I don't know.
You may not know, but it's
Oh, Larry Scott spun out while you're right behind me.
So it was just a spin.
I'd say tell him to stop giving you a gerbil on a wheel.
Hold on, what? Groovy and Larry Scott, all of them are gonna be at the back.
So I guess I had a really good pit stop because I came out second. I took 4 tires. I don't know.
Bunch was waiting for that caution, but he waited too long.
He'll get the wave around. He'll be alright.
He's fast.
Yeah, he'll be able to get right back up in here. No, we were yeah, that would have been a good strategy if we played out green. There, Matt. That was a good.
I don't know. They were catching us.
Oh no, they would have catched us. No, they're faster. I mean, I can say they're faster than me. They would have caught me, but it put us in a good position there for the time being.
Yeah, and it paid off, I would think, because we gained so many spots compared to what
I'm
we would have
not
been.
sure if this is right, but 65, 49, and 50% on my right front.
Damn. That's,
Remember, you pitted now.
What?
You pitted. Did you pit after your wreck?
No, yeah.
Oh, well, there you go.
The first time I pitted.
Right there, right after your wreck, you pitted. So there you
Okay,
go.
I smashed the
I'll come
right
over
side.
and join you.
Holy
Give me 1
shit.
minute.
Like, I need 2 or 3 cautions to get back into this.
I leapfrog. Well, I don't know. Maybe someone's stuck on pit. I don't know how many cars they. Oh no. Well, what's his face was stuck on pit road with damage, wasn't he?
1 lap to green. Line up on the
Fuck, 1 to
outside.
go.
Catch the pace car.
I'm open for a quick caution here. And either one of you can cause it.
Thank you.
But you do not have to be involved in it.
Come on, lag bar, calm down. Don't do it now. I told them to get off Netflix, and they looked at me.
Good opening run there, by the way. Try to do it again. Close it out.
I don't know what you were talking about. There was 3 wrecks that should have brought out cautions, man.
Shut up, Groove. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I saw 2 of them.
Shelly Groove.
You guys are just seeing things.
Yeah,
What did
I
Thomas
saw
say?
one too, but
Shut
being
up,
in the
man.
race, I didn't want to throw the caution because I would have benefited from it. But I agree with the spring when
Get ready, going green. Don't
Thomas,
pass
please
the
get in a rhythm.
54
And
car.
don't be in the
Yeah,
lead.
iRacing must hate him or something because he flipped, like, almost flipped at the start finish line.
I have no speed.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Okay, you're in second. The next car's the leader.
Bunches right side damage. Just so you guys
Inside.
know.
Clear inside. Inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear.
That was
3 wide, down the back.
Lewis, keeping care of the tires up here. Yeah, Munger's really pedaling it, just trying to take good care of everything.
Munger's really good at saving his shit.
Yeah, that's why I'm not even gonna try to pass him. I could go for the lead right now because everybody's going real slow trying to save their stuff.
Yeah, but then they'll try to pass you, and then you.
Yeah, there's no point in trying it because I know
Then
I'll
you
just
get
lose
stuck
everything.
in the outside line, and you wear your tires even more when you get stuck out there. Oh, I could use a caution.
Still lap now.
Oh no, lead lap. I'm like off the pace still by straightaway speed. Not that far off in corners.
Hankins' car is like very glitchy.
I know.
So
His latency or quality must be like messed up.
Inside. Still there.
it just cost me positions. I don't want to run him over.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear.
I'm a second and a half off the pace.
I figure if I run as fast as Munger, I should save my stuff.
Right?
Okay, I just blew up. I'm just gonna fix it. Okay. From the time I wrecked in the beginning of the race, my camber was positive on the right front.
Black Keys is the perfect soundtrack for this right now, so I'm glad I have that on my Pandora. It works.
You know, Baki is still lucky to be in this race.
So
keep in mind,
you're not in it
admitted.
anymore.
No, you don't understand. From watching the replay, I could have, when I was, after I hit the wall, I was in a spin down into him, but I jerked the wheel hard right, he kept it off of him and spun myself out and wrecked myself, so he's lucky. I'm a nice
Well,
guy.
are you a hero?
I'm a hero, there you go.
I'll make sure to let him know that he's lucky.
Go ahead.
Baki, if you actually watch this garbage, your savior, Jesse Kaplan, says you're welcome.
I mean, when you yank it hard right, you're probably trying to save it. I mean, not for nothing. Well, but I mean, let's call a spade a spade.
So when you go to bed tonight, Baki, and by tonight I mean like 2 days from now, because that's how long it's going to take for me to upload this video, make sure you say thank you to Jessica.
RIP Thomas's internet.
Oh, I can't. In less than a month, I'm moving into my own place, and yeah, I'm paying for upgraded internet. I'm the one paying
What
for
are you looking at
utilities, so I'm gonna at least go 20 and 2. That's better than what I got now. Watch it. God, this car case has got some kind of latency.
He's real loose off. All right, let's go, Case. You passed me. Go get him. It's crazy. Just a little bit of pushing has completely nuked my car.
Yeah. That's what happened for a majority of that run that last run. I went from the lead to a couple of pushes to back to 10. Yeah, Shannon will use the grass and grass too, so.
Yeah, I mean that little bit of a run just killed my tires. Tire gods, if you're watching this, make a harder compound next time.
Functions all the way up to 2 cars behind me. I think I'm in 1-6. Up to 8. Mr. Consistency. Wow, what a save, man.
Outside. Clear outside.
Good save, boys.
Good save.
Outside. Keep low. Clear.
My car is fucking killed from the
Back in
tires
fourth
now.
position.
He wasn't even there. I just clipped the apron.
Settle in, buddy. Get your momentum back.
I will.
Matt,
What?
I saw the replay. You turned down on him a little bit, but he also went pretty much straight.
He was behind me when I hit the brakes, though.
Yeah, he was pretty, but he drove like straight. That's what I'm saying.
I know. I mean, I was starting to take my corner. I mean, I had to lift to make the corner.
Yeah, he just drove. Yeah, I know that you turned down on him, but he drove it straight.
Well, like the reason I turned down was because I had to make the corner. Like when I lifted and started the turn, he was behind me. By the time I got
Yeah.
there, he was there. So I mean, my bumper is a fun thing, especially the front bumper.
Well, I'm not up to speed entirely, but I got more speed in my truck now. I can basically drive it wide open a little bit.
I mean, he could have avoided that if he had just been a little bit less aggressive behind me.
Don't worry, he has nose damage. So you're
He'll have
probably
more than that when I get to him.
Ooh, I got that on camera.
Cool.
Or whatever, fuck it. I'd do the same thing if it was Jeff Davis.
I mean, I'm just sick and tired of being pushed around.
Thomas.
Jesse, don't talk to me.
I was gonna ask you a question, but okay.
I know. Just wait, buddy. I'll answer it. Yeah. I'm not trying to be a dick. I just got like a line of 5 trucks behind me, and it's starting to look like
That's fine. That's fine. Munger's starting to close in on folks again, so just to let you guys know.
Car inside. Clear. Car inside. Still there. Clear. Car inside. Still there.
I had to check up so hard to
Stay
avoid you.
high. There's a car on the low
I stayed
side.
as high as I could. I just couldn't get it down to the
No, it's not your fault. It's just
Still there.
the way the everything
yeah.
went down right there.
I killed the front.
Corey isn't the guy I'm looking for, so I'm gonna let him go.
You can look for him after the race, just remember that.
I know, but there's not much effect.
Well, you said either I wrecked Jeff Davis or you're gonna wreck him after Martinsville, so
In anger.
forget it.
He doesn't-
Forget it. Forget it.
Alright, hold on, I'm gonna let Corey by right here. Thomas!
Funny thing is, I'm 15 laps down and I'm in the free truck position right now. So I'm the only one on track.
My rhythm's all thrown off again. Oh, got a lot to learn.
See, he's dropping back to you, Matt.
Not entirely. I'm not catching them.
You're catching him a little bit. I've been keeping an eye on the standings. You're catching him little by little. Yeah, Munger is closing in on folks now, for real.
Ah, dang it, man. Come on, Thomas. What the fuck are you doing?
What Thomas you talking about?
What other Thomas is there in the race?
Thomas. Oh, yourself.
Yes. Only dipshit over driving this truck right now.
You got 10 laps
Oh shit,
to
oh
go.
shit, oh shit. Saved it, don't worry. All is good.
Balance has been maintained in the force.
God damn it, man. What am I doing? This is getting really frustrating.
It's this track, I'm telling you.
No, it's me every freaking week on a long run.
No, trust me, this track is really frustrating in the long run, I can tell you that. Previous experience. I just saw an eye on someone's bumper, by the way. So be careful about that.
What happened to Larry Scott?
Don't know. I got my truck fixed, Pat.
Holy shit, there's a spider on the floor. This is nerve-wracking.
What, you think the spider's gonna come and screw you?
I will flip the fuck out if this thing crawls on my foot. Like, I don't give a fuck. The truck in the wall, I won't care.
Why are you afraid of spiders?
Who the fuck doesn't want a spider crawling on their foot? Or does one?
But still, big deal.
If that's like what you do for a living, like if you're into spiders.
I'm not into spiders. But it's pretty funny listening to Thomas.
It, like, ran over to the book bag right next to my feet.
Matt,
He just brake checked me.
You're not gonna do it, Matt. Please don't.
He just brake checked me.
Do it on the last lap. Or after the race.
He just fucking brake checked me.
Do it on the last lap or after the race.
You've got 5 laps to go.
Ooh, Munger's gonna get Randall. He really saved his tires and starting to close in. This would be a good ending to watch. Matt? No green, white checkers.
He's lucky. Fuck, whoever it is up front's lucky I have a soul.
Munger is catching folks, that's why. Like I said, do it on the last lap or after.
How many fucking wrecked me into turn 1 and fucking brake checked me on the fucking straightaway?
Are those marks in the turn 1?
Yeah, that's them.
Yeah, just do it on the last lap or
He got loose in 3 and 4 and I didn't mean to get into him, and then he just brake checked me on the next straightaway.
Okay.
I was gonna set him up because I figured the best way to show him was to pass him cleanly, but you know what? Fuck that.
Sweet. Put on your... this is gonna sound stupid and I'm an idiot, so I'm not gonna say it. I was gonna say put on your big boy pants. Alright, 2 to go. You can wreck him next time, bye.
You got 2 laps to go.
Munger just lost time. Okay, Matt, you can do it now. Cause
You
white
just
flag.
got the white flag. That means 1 more lap to go.
He's gonna get me into turn 3.
He's gonna probably punt you around again, right?
Yep.
Good win.
Oh, I saw that. Munger was coming, but he just couldn't get him at the end.
You had me on my toes, Munger. Good run.
One car ahead.
Oh,
car
wow.
stopped ahead. Go low.
What the hell happened here?
Alright, there's the checkered flag.
What the heck happened to Corey?
Case, I think I became the
Great job,
biggest
you did
number 20
really
fan
well.
right there.
Yeah, I was trying my damnedest. Fuck it.
No, seriously, what happened there? You wreck him?
No, he got me out of fucking straightaway. And then I wrecked him on
I
to
knew I
finish.
should have done from the 3 to go.
And who else wrecked at the finish?
Bunch wrecked.